So I've had a busy couple of weeks with a bit of a sad bit in the middle, but I did manage to visit a couple of really cool makers. So first of all, there was a meetup of one of the regulars of the Toy Maker Forum who made a trip down under for the week. This pulled out a number of cool makers from their lurking spots, and we all went out for dinner. It was a fantastic night with lots of interesting projects being discussed and mulled over. And later in the week I had to go down to Melbourne for personal reasons, but while I was there I thought I'd go and look up one of my fellow YouTubers, Sion from Unexpected Maker. So I'm down in sunny Melbourne, and I managed to bump into someone you may know.
Hi everyone.
It's Sion, not Sean, as I was led to believe for quite some time.
That's okay.
How you going, Sean?
I'm good.
So what are you doing here?
Oh, I was walking down the street. No, not really.
It wasn't really
meeting Mick.
I had actually planned it.
We get to meet in person. Awesome.
Yeah, excellent. So Sean, you've got a bit of show and tell.
I do.
I believe.
So got a couple of things I brought with.
Yeah, cool.
So two different extremes of this stuff I'm working on at the moment.
Yep.
Both exciting. But I'll start with this one.
Yep.
So you remember my Neo 7 segment display that I sent you?
Yeah, it's nice.
Lots of pixels, lots of power, very hungry.
Yep.
So I've been looking for a way to refine them and make them use less pixels but look nicer.
Yeah.
And I have come up with this Neo X segment display. So it's 14 segments and it can do about 58 different characters, and it's all using laser cut acrylic. So 1 pixel per segment, and it uses the acrylic to diffuse. And it's going to ship with a full library, Arduino library, so that you'll be able to just send it strings of text, chain them all together as many as you want.
So have you thought about slapping on a little AT Tiny and providing ITC out? That's the next trend. And then you provide an ITC library.
And then address each character individually.
And then you can address it.
Yeah, I could do that. It increases the cost.
Increases the development time. You're going to develop the software for it.
Yeah.
But yes, it does.
But like on my Wi-Fi clock version that I've made, I just have to finish the code for it.
Yep. That's
also, it's using a similar, like the same display, but 7 segments, and that's got an ESP8266 on board.
Oh yeah.
So it's all fully encapsulated. So I've got individual displays, 7 segment and 14 segment.
Yep.
And I've also got a Wi-Fi clock I'm building that does the same type of thing. So when I put this on Tindy, every kit will come with all the pieces it needs to cover it all up. But the thing that's been taking all my time and all my effort and all my money is my tiny Pico.
Ah, nice.
So this is currently the smallest.
Is it BGA or leadless?
No, it's QFN.
Okay, QFN.
Yeah, it's QFN. Currently the smallest ESP32 development board in the world.
Nice.
Right now. And this is revision 4. This is my revision 3, very small, can't even see it. But complete redesign between 3 and 4. So it's an ESP32. It's got 14 GPIO broken out.
Yep.
It's got onboard LiPo charging, and on the back is LiPo port, and it's actually a dual port now, so it can fit a Pico blade as well as a PH JST connector, and a spot for a PS RAM, for extra RAM.
Excellent.
All in a tiny little package.
So you could chuck on some Python.
Yep, it's being done for MicroPython. That's
the goal of it.
The goal for the with the extra PS RAM.
So you're going with the external pressed metal aerial.
Yeah, it's a 3D antenna, and it's just the best reception. The problem with the ceramic ones is they actually have to go 90 degrees this way.
Correct. Yeah.
And I don't want to make my board this much longer to have an antenna sitting there. So I've gone with the metal ones.
The 3D ones.
Yeah. And they're really good, much better reception.
Yeah. And the price? What's the price difference?
Oh, on the antennas?
Between the surrounding
22 cents and 70 cents.
Yeah.
Because these are only available on DigiKey, and that's buying them in lots of 100.
Right.
So I've got quite a lot of these. So I better use them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got a Rev 5 I'm working on right now just to refine it, and that should be the final version.
So when's that going to be on Timmy?
I thought revision 4 was it, but I'm now making revision 5, so I'm not sure. This is the, I keep saying this is the gift that keeps on giving, because it's never finished. So.
Yeah, I know exactly everything you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've been through about 5 revisions of the high projector, so.
Just keep tweaking and tweaking.
Yeah, tweaking here.
A small tweak turns into a big tweak. And, and I hope to have them on Tindy before the end of the year.
Nice.
And don't ask me how much yet, because I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's one of those things. It's trying to figure out the price of things.
Yeah.
And you've got to take into account a little bit of your time. Like, it's not going to be all of your time.
Hand building this is a killer.
Yeah.
Like, you know. So I'm off to China in November, to Shenzhen, and I'm going to speak to some factories about short run manufacturing. Okay. But at this point in time, I don't think I'll ever sell enough to justify.
Have you thought about local? There's another local. In fact, I was speaking to GPC Electronics. They claim to have comparable prices.
To China?
Yeah, to China. But I've yet to get a quote back from them. So remains to be seen.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, I think I can get these built for about $4 each in China.
Right.
Plus, obviously, BOM.
Yeah.
My biggest concern is I've got the components so close together. It's not a size thing, it's using all 0402, which is not a problem on the pick and place. But my spacing might be a problem on the pick and place. It might be too close. This has kind of pushed me way beyond my knowledge base.
That's the way to go. That's good.
A lot of firsts here. First 4-layer board, first time using QFN, first time shrinking.
Antenna.
And the RF, I don't understand.
Yeah. So thanks, Sean. Not Sean. Leon. I keep getting it wrong. It's okay.
The whole start of the video.
That's right. Thanks, Leon. Good to meet you finally in person.
Yep. Good to meet you as well.
Yep. And when I'm down in Melbourne again.
Get to hang out. Come see the workshop.
Fantastic.
Cool. Bye everyone.
See you later. Thanks for watching.